Hi and welcome to session 6. I hope you were able to observe when your mind was trying to multitask. Were you juggling too many things and not giving them the attention required? And if so, I hope you were able to bring your attention completely to the task at hand. Remember, the myth of multitasking is harmful to our mental fitness. Now, another myth is that focus is required only for boring work and not meant for creative people. That might be the biggest myth of all. A painter is just as focused as a scientist. A musician's ability to concentrate is just as powerful as that of a chartered accountant. So when you're consumed in your work, immersed in creative or other work, you become one with the task. Your creativity increases. So whatever your task, creative or mundane, bring your full attention to that, and you will discover a wellspring of joy and creative energy. So let's continue to hone your focus in today's session. If you're sitting down comfortably, let us begin. Take a few slow, deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Focus on the sensations at your nostrils as you breathe in and out. And allowing the breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and experience the contact between the body and the chair. Mentally scanning your body from head to toe. Notice how the body feels right now. Note your mood, the quality of your mind. Is it restless or relaxed? Just notice. Now moving your attention to the nostrils. Focus on the sensations of air moving in and out. Now bring your attention to the left nostril, focusing on the sensations only at the left nostril. Shifting focus now to the right nostril, experiencing the sensations at each moment. Now continuing to allow your body to breathe in its own rhythms. prepare to shift focus between the nostrils. Air coming in, focusing on the sensations at the left nostril. Air going out, focusing on the right nostril. And air coming in through the right and out through the left. In through the left and out through the right. In through the right and out through the left. Continue shifting focus like this, experiencing the sensations at each moment. Checking in on your mind every now and then, making sure it's still focused. If the attention is drifting, notice and bring it back. Moving your attention back to both nostrils. Now moving your attention back to the rising and falling of your abdomen. Noticing once again the contact between the body and the chair. Notice any light shining through your eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Take a few moments to observe your breath, your body, your mind. Are you relaxed? Are you experiencing a heightened sense of awareness? Remember, focus requires a delicate balance between relaxation and alertness. If you get too relaxed, you might fall asleep, and if you're too alert, you might stress yourself out. So the key is finding the balance to achieve the state of flow, where you feel at one with the work you're doing and the environment you're in. And this will of course happen with continued practice. But before your next session, try this. Bring your focus to others, listening completely as someone speaks to you, absorbing without your thoughts intruding. And notice how this focus can improve not just your work, but also your communication and relationships. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 7.